Did you know that one brave woman saved her entire family by trusting in God's power she had never even seen? Her name was Rahab, and she lived inside the giant walls of Jericho. When two Hebrew spies knocked on her door looking for help, she had to make a quick choice. Suddenly, the king's soldiers came searching. "Where are those Hebrew men?" they demanded. Rahab's heart pounded. The spies were hiding on her roof. She looked the soldiers straight in the eye and said, "They already left the city. You better hurry if you want to catch them." The soldiers ran off chasing shadows while the real spies stayed safe above. "I believe your God is the one true God," Rahab told the spies. "Please save my family when you attack our city." They agreed. "Hang a red rope from your window." When Jericho's mighty walls came crashing down, Rahab's house stood strong. Her red rope waved like a flag of faith. God saved Rahab and her whole family because she chose courage over fear.